Any questions?
Yes, it sounds great. I think everything that you are showing integrates everything that we are doing apart. Like we pay for renders, we pay for videos or 3D, I don't know how to say, recorridos, how do you say that in English?
3D multimedia videos, teasers, fingers.
So I think this pretty much puts everything in one place. I like what I'm seeing with you. But we have other projects that are going on, and I like this. I like what I saw.
At the heart of the portal is a master plan, a fully rendered 3D map of the development and surrounding areas. Buyers can view the entire layout from all angles, gaining a true sense of scale and positioning. Key points of interest, services, and local restaurants are clearly marked. From here, buyers can choose between two types of tours. The guided tour is a professionally produced video experience with voice-over narration. It gives context to key areas and features that you want to highlight. This is usually the first point a buyer can click when landing on the site. The self-guided tour offers a more immersive experience. Buyers can interactively explore selected showrooms in a 3D environment at their own pace. They can walk through the property and toggle between furnishing options, adjust wall placements, explore texture and lighting options, including day or night mode, and get a nearly lifelike sense of the space. It's intuitive, engaging, and tailored for a personalized experience. Then we dive into the magic of the live CRM inventory system. Buyers can view unit-specific details such as layout, size, pricing, and real-time availability. Booking an appointment is seamless through a form linked directly to your preferred real estate agent. This allows agents to receive real-time booking requests and offer one-on-one support through an on-demand virtual viewing. Using the offline virtual model, they can guide buyers through the showroom from their computer or mobile device, anytime, anywhere. This model allows buyers and agents to explore every inch of the unit development and even explore and fly around the surrounding area.
Well, the experience since the beginning has been amazing. The whole staff, it's professional. The way they talk to you, the way they deliver on time and on schedule. It's been such an amazing experience. Furthermore, the whole technology tool, the webpage, the virtual tours. I think I truly recommend this for someone that is trying to do some exposure on any kind of development. The product is something that could blow your mind off. Everything that you can get out of it, it's amazing. The virtual tours, the videos, the way they can scan through a satellite the place that you are trying to build something on. It's something that it's I would say a must for any developers on the early stages. Every time you get to have a chance to talk to a potential buyer, they get all the information. If you are a client or a developer or even a salesperson, I think the experience is overwhelming. I'm working from Mexico, and just the idea of working with someone all the way across the globe, and what they offered me at the first meeting, it was something that it was hard for me to believe. And then at the end, the product, it completely fooled my expectations, and pretty much anyone I talk about it, they all seem to be amazed about it. So It's better than I thought it would be.